This is the corollary to the inscribed angle theorem. An angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contain chords of a circle. In this illustration, angle ABC is an inscribed angle in a semicircle. This is a semicircle, and according to this corollary to the inscribed angle theorem, it is a right angle. So, angle ABC is a right angle. Let us solve this problem. If the measure of arc AB is 80, this is the arc AB with a measure of 80 degrees. Segment AC is a diameter of the circle. What is the measure of angle A? This is the inscribed angle theorem. The measure of an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. In the illustration, angle C is also an inscribed angle. Its the vertex C is on the circle. Its the side CA contains the chord CA of the circle, and its the side CB contains chord CB of the circle, and the intercepted arc is arc AB. And according to the inscribed angle theorem, the measure of angle C is 1/2 the measure of arc AB, the intercepted arc. But the measure of arc AB is 80 degrees, so we substitute 80 for measure of arc AB. This is now equal to 1/2 of 80, and 1/2 of 80 is equal to 40. So the measure of angle C is equal to 40 degrees. But according to the corollary to the inscribed angle theorem, an angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. Therefore, the measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So, the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C is equal to 180. Substitute 90 for measure of angle B or measure of angle ABC, and then substitute 40 for measure of angle C. So this is now equal to measure of angle A plus 90 plus the 40 is equal to 180. 90 plus the 40 is 130. So this is now equal to measure of angle A plus 130 is equal to 180. To solve for the measure of angle A, subtract 130 from both sides. So we have now measure of angle A plus 130 minus 130 is equal to 180 minus 130. We have now measure of angle A is equal to 50. So the answer is measure of angle A is equal to 50.